guys, so this week I'm going to be talking about having the hiccups at the worst times. Because having the hiccups can be really irritating at times, and especially when you have them at the worst. Having the hiccups while at the library.
Oh my god, can you stop?
Oh, sorry, I had the hiccups. So irritating.
Who the hell comes to a library and has the hiccups?
I can't stop. I'm sorry, I have the hiccups.
Oh my god, I'm gonna call my mom.
Seriously.
I'm moving to China.
Having them in class.
Okay, class, copy the notes on the board, and then we will begin our lesson for today. Excuse me, Mr. Matt?
Oh, I have the hiccups.
I don't like excuses in my classroom.
Okay.
If I hear another word, you will get a referral, and you will exit my class. Now, if you look at the board, you can... Excuse me? Now, copy the notes on the board, and once you are all finished copying the notes, we will continue with our next lesson and go over our homework from yesterday. Does anyone have any questions? Feel free to ask me. Please don't ask me to go to the bathroom during the test time. Okay, that's it. Referral. Get out of my class, you get a referral. Goodbye. Bye-bye. Bye. Yes? Yes. Goodbye.
Having them while driving. And finally, having them on video. I can start. Hey guys, thanks. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys did, hit that like button down below. And don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Google+, and Instagram. Social networks are always in the link below, so go follow me. If you guys have ever had the hiccups at the worst times, let me know in the comments below when you have had them and some video ideas. And that is basically it, guys. Sharing is caring, so share this video with your friends, family, and the world. And I will see you guys next Friday with a brand new video. Leave a comment, leave a like, and share. See you guys then.
Did you know that 16 ounces equals exactly 453.592 grams?
Didn't think so.
The atmosphere of sea level. You know that? Well, the atmosphere of sea level has a pressure of 14.7